So my wife has asthma and I have bad allergies. So we get the best filter possible. And we like the Aprilaire 216, 6-month life. The instructions come with it actually on how to put the filter in. But I'm gonna show you how. Get it out of there. Utility closet, you have your water heater, your air filter, ventilation system right here. So you will come down to the bottom, as you see, crate right there, and you simply just take it off like that. It's easy. Filter's right there. You can just pull it right out. Boom. Now this is a previous one that we had, so 6 months ago. Take it out of there. Let's actually see like what it looks like in comparison to the new one that we have. So that's the old one. This is the new one. Just notice how white it is. Old, new. Definitely shows you that it works. All that dust and particles in it, nasty stuff. Awesome. So you see how I simply just took that, how easy it is. This is the new one. Simply make sure the airflow, as you see, is going towards like, the ventilation system. So, needs to go. My vent's over here to the right. And you just hook it on. You see the hooks under there? You slide it on. Like that. And boom, it just slides right in. Awesome. And then you just put the cover back on. And that's that. Boom. I definitely recommend the Allergy and Asthma Aprilaire Air Filter 216 right there. As you see in the video, the new from the old, it definitely works. And as I said earlier, my wife has asthma, I have severe allergies, and it's been nothing but like easy for us on our bodies, our lungs, no sore throats, no type of sniffles or anything since we've been using this filter. And it's an easy and great simple install. As you've seen, I did it in almost less than almost like 30 seconds. Awesome. So we definitely recommend this filter.